You can see it here. I've got a standard old height stick, as you can see, slides in and out. And this one has done what I've had some others do. It set for a long time. I got where this was a little bit corroded. Couldn't turn this by hand, so I took a pair of pliers and turned it, but this broke loose from the little bolt going through there. It's an easy fix, a little bit of a tap weld right there on that, and it should fix it. Nice little tack weld right on top of that wing nut. And let's see if it does the job. Yeah, it may require some soaking. Yeah, gonna have to soak those threads. May even have to heat them a little bit, which is tricky in aluminum, but we'll get it broke loose. I want to heat the bolt more than I do the aluminum. Alright, got it broke loose. Just keep working it a little bit. A little farther each time. There, now put some more lubricant on it. Alright, get that off. Now all it needs is just a little more work on those threads and get it cleaned up good. And we'll have a good functioning height stick again. That's all there is to it.